Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. And guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do a oil catch can for this 2012 Toyota Sienna. So here's the catch can that I have, and I got one of this Mishimoto 3/8 PCV hose, and we got a catch can right here, and I modify a little bit so it fit the catch can. So my plan is to put this catch can right here. So it's gonna be like this right here. A lot of people that did it, they put it right here, but I don't think it's a good idea because basically it's just too close here and it doesn't have enough of space. And I like it over here, so by itself, and you don't have a lot of heat over here instead of right on the engine component. It's gonna create a lot of heat right here, so I wanted a little cool down over here. So basically you just take off the cover. So when you take off the cover, go ahead, this PCV valves right here, you just take this hose off, and at the end it's connected to it's connect straight into the intake right here, intake manifold. So the other end is right there, and the PCV is right here. So this one gonna go straight into the catch can in port, and that one is gonna go into the out port. So basically it's gonna be like this, and this side is for the in. So this side is gonna go straight into the PCV valve, and the other side is gonna be going to this side right here. So the out. So I did this for my Toyota RAV4, and it worked really well. It catch a lot of oil. So I'll go ahead and do on this one. And they already have the screw hole right here. All you need to find just the right screw for it. And I got some of them in my file part that I have. So also I'm gonna route maybe this under here. As you can see, I can route this, go under here and up, and go into a catch can. And that one I'll probably go on top and go all the way there. So that's my plan. And by removing this is pretty easy. All you do is just take this out, and then just wiggle a little bit, and it should come out. Yes. See? Look at that. See? It came out. So this is a good opportunity if you want to clean the PCV valve. That's up to you. You want to clean it. If you don't, then yeah, you can just leave it alone. Also remove the other side, which is basically it's the same thing. But I expect this side is going to be a little harder, since I don't have a lot of room in here. Get this out of the way. There you go. And there you go. There you go. Take it out. As you can see, I'm not sure you can see it. It's a little bit of oil there, but not a lot. Not a lot, but you can see there's a little bit of oil there. So it seemed like this port is a little bigger than this one. So this one I think is like a 5/16, I think. and that one is might be a 3/8. So I'm not 100% sure, but that one is look like it's bigger than this one. So a 3/8 should fit. Oh, let me see. Let me go ahead and do the installation, and when I get it done, I'll show you how it is, or we just go step by step. All right. Okay. Be right back. Yeah. Welcome back. So that port is definitely is not a 3/8. Sorry about that. I didn't know, so this is my first time opening this too. So that is more fit like for a hose of 1/2 ID rather than 3/8. Okay, so you need a bigger one. So I'll go ahead and I kind of struggle to put it in because the hose is dry. So basically, what you want to do is you want to put a little oil in it, like motor oil, and just put a little oil so it gives you a little bit better of installation in. As you can see, I couldn't even push that in all the way inside, so this is how hard it is. But you know, it doesn't look, for me it doesn't look good, so I'll go ahead and remove it and try to install so they get all the way inside. All right, give me a second. So finally I got it in, but not perfect, but at least 80%. As you can see, let me see this, 80%. So it looked pretty good. Yeah, let me show you the old hose, the original hose. So as you can see, look right here. See, so basically it is a small hose, right? But they're trying to push that in. As you can see, look at this. See, trying to shove that in, and it's expand if you leave for a while. So basically, it's the same hose as this one. It's 3/8, same 3/8 hose, but I think they heat it up and they're trying to shove it in to a larger port. So that's why. So I finally got that in. So as you can see, that's gonna go all the way to over there. And the next one I'm gonna do is this one, which is this one is a lot smaller, so it should fit the 3/8 hose that we have. And that's it. Give me a second. Let me try to fit it in, and I'll show you the end result. Since I'm right here, so I go ahead and remove this PCV valve and see how it is. And as you can see, it's a little dirty. When you shake it, that's the test to see it work. It looks like it's working. I'll go ahead and clean this off and put a little bit of anti-seat right here, just a little bit. I'll clean this off and then I'll go ahead and reinstall it. But it's a good time to check it out. As you can hear the sound, that means it's working. All right, I'll go ahead and clean up and I'll be right back. So I clean it off and put a little bit of anti-seat in there, only a little bit on top. That's it. I'll go ahead and reinstall it and install the other wire, the other hose in, the other hose right here. Go ahead and install that in, and then after I got that in, I should able to install the bracket that holding the catch can over there. So I'll show you. I think that's it. It's It's not that hard. It's just a little bit of you know, patience with installing everything and get everything lined up so it look nice. But I'll show you the end product when we're done. All right. So finally I get it done. So it looked pretty simple. Installation is simple, but it's very time consuming. Especially you have to line up all this stuff, and you have to get all the screw in correctly. It's very time consuming. You can see that. Let me get this. That. Hope you can see that's very time consuming. As you can see. Got everything. I routed on the bottom. Going straight to the PCV valve right here. And all the way from the back. As you can see. So everything looked nice and tucked in. It looked really good. And the good part is I can close. I can put the cover back in without it's interfering with all the other stuff. So as you can see, there you go. So it's look really good. I'm very happy with the installation. Like I said, it's a little bit time consuming with all the wiring, with all the hose. Get it right, but in the end, it's really good, and I really like it when I have my catch can all the way over the head side. Not a lot of heat, because I don't want the heat to affect the catch can and also affect the hose. Instead of over here, you got no more room. Basically, you squish, and then especially with the heat and the rubber hose, the more you get it close to the heat side, is the more it's gonna damage the hose and also the catch can. So this is a good way, because if the oil is really going here, it's kind of cool down right here, because the way the catch can work is the oil get here, it's cool down, it drop, so it stay on the reserve right here, and then so nothing will go back into the other line. So a lot of people go this route, and I go this route. It's a little more harder, but it's worth it. I think it's worth it, and it look really nice. See everything hooked in, look really nice. And I will definitely, if I go 1,000 miles on this, I will definitely make a video and see how much oil we catching. But somehow the Toyota, because is I don't know how the engine they design, but we catch less oil than the Chrysler Pacifica. Chrysler Pacifica within 1,000 mile range is almost double the oil that was catched. So I guess that's the reason why the Japanese engine is more reliable than the American one. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right? Okay. All right, bye.